14 satellite cities. Interconnected, yet independent. Over 3,500 prize centers in South.
Pagpakuhain mo yung asawa mo, maganda yan.
50 years of passion and hard work. This is
Parang
Manila
BGC
Roar's
yan.
most ambitious project yet.
Saang lugar to? Las
Built on
Piñas.
the foundation of what
Ah.
has already brought to life. Spanning 14 cities.
Ay, yan yung mga lugar ng meron
Ang
sila.
lahat ng natatanong po ninyo ay humanity yard. 3,500 hectares. Sa south.
The new shape of Metro Manila's future. This is where your city. Land of a million trees. The rest of a new mega city. Traversed by 3,000 kilometers of new roads. From Sukat all the way to Tanzania. Built for tomorrow. Built for the better life. 3,500 hectares. 1 million trees. 3,000 kilometers of new roads. 100 roads. 100 cafes. A thriving network of smart cities. Built to establish a legacy.
Ayan, nga po, nilunsad namin last week at 3 weeks ago, nilunsad po namin ang Villar City. At si Villar City po isang benchmark na gagawin sa Vista Estate sa buong Pilipinas. Ang ilalap po namin sa inyo is investment destination kung saan magandang appreciation value, may